In mathematics, definitely we use infinity. Infinity is the fundamental tool of mathematics. But we cannot we cannot use infinity, any type of infinity in physics. I will explain why. Because infinity is not a metrical term. If we have a cardinal number, let's say, of natural numbers, if we add to this cardinal number 100,000, still we will have the same cardinal number. What infinity means is a long story. In my view, infinity is in mathematics is an expression of cosmic intelligence, of cosmic logos, which is infinite. But using infinity in physics leads to contradiction. Infinite pressure, infinite density, infinite temperature in the first moment of Big Bang, infinite gravity in the Professor Penrose's singularities. All this is pseudoscience. Why is pseudoscience? Because physics can only develop on the basis of experimental proofs. Okay, we cannot take, let's say, infinity in physics, build theories of Big Bang, of gravitational singularities, and never ever this was proved by an experiment. It was never proved that that Big Bang has started out of nothing, out of mathematical point. This was never proved. Cosmic microwave background radiation. This is the radiation of the existent universal space. This is a black body radiation of space. That this is some remote radiation from the past. This is just nonsense. Gravitational singularities of Professor Penrose are pseudoscience. Never ever was observed some gravitational singularity in the universe. And it is also, gravitational singularity is also against the basic principle of mathematics and also physics. Because if you have infinite value in a given point of space, which according to Professor Penrose should be in the center of the black hole, then infinite value of gravity or whatever infinite in a given point of space cannot diminish with the distance. If only one point in the universe would have infinite gravity, then entire universe would have infinite gravity. These are basics of mathematics. Nobody ever explained how this infinite pressure and temperature and density turn to be finite. This is a kind of magic. Big Bang is a magic. This is not science. And Professor Penrose, he never explained how infinite gravity, when we go let's say we go away from the center of the black hole, at a certain moment it's finite. Because otherwise, the entire, if only one gravitational singularity we have in the universe, the entire universe, the space, should have infinite gravity. So this play with mathematical infinity in physics has has created a lot of pseudo scientific ideas, which actually we have to abolish from physics. Otherwise, we can never progress physics. So I hope that this my video will wake up a little bit scientific community, because if you are very famous, you can talk whatever nonsense and everybody is saying, wow, wow, what a great idea. But if you have a good reason, and if you are really sincere physicist, if you are not famous, nobody will say anything about what are you doing. This is the spirit of science today. We are actually that's why we have such a big crisis in physics, because whatever new is developed, a new theory, a new model, you will never publish in an important journal, because in the important journals, before the paper goes in review, every most of them, these scientific journals now, they have an academic editor. And these academic editors are the old guys which actually should drop physics 20 years ago, and they still sit there on these boards, and they still decided what will go in the review and what will not go in the review. That's why we don't have progress in physics, because these old guys don't follow what physics has discovered. And everything what is new in physics, the paradigm shift that some of physicists we are preparing on this planet, it will never be accepted by these guys, because they don't understand physics anymore. This is the case. So I would advise all these old guys, give space, give place to young people. Uh, there's nothing personal in this, but the main barrier, the main problem of physics development are these academic editors, which do not understand new things. So thank you very much for your attention.